Welcome everyone. Today is a tutorial on the app Jitsi. It's from jitsi.org. It's a online conferencing system, and we have it installed in our Russia University server, and we are going to use it today to hold the online session of today's class. So for this you can use both your computer browser, Chrome or Firefox, and also you can use your mobile phone. Okay, if you click on this download, you will get uh, the link to Google Play app, and also you can directly open the whole session in uh, directly in your browser. Like, I'll give you the link to the session and you can directly open the session in the browser. But today the tutorial is about how to setting up the app for your usage, so it might be easy on it, okay, rather than using your browser. So all you have to do is go to your computer, go to your Android phone and go open up your Google Play and type Jitsi, and then click on install. And after it gets installed, there are some minor adjustments that are needed to access the server over at Russia University. Let's wait for the installation. And this I am currently have the app open in here, in this section here. Hello, and I can invite you all from here. So let's continue. Just open your app in your Android phone. It's taking some time, and the link that I'm going to give you is this. You just have to type this huge string here. It's just for a separation of other sessions. It's a big string. It's CSE 4131 S capital A small M capital online session 10/8/2020, today's date, then 0300 p.m. the time of the session. Okay, it's just a pattern that I tend to follow here. So you will have to type it in here, but before that, here you will have to type the session meeting or the session name. But before that, you have to set up the server. So go on the tap on the little corner here, right, this button, tap on it, and there is this settings here. Tap on the settings, then type in your name here, the name you are going to attend, like let's say Shubho. Okay, and then type in your email address. Just say shubho@gmail.com. It's a test email. Let's say let's just and next you have to give in the server URL. These are important. You have to give your own personal name and the email address. I am signing up with another account here, and my email address is this one. And in your server URL you have to give this one. It's a very simple server, and that is jitsi.ru.ac.bd/ this one. You will have to type it, and all other things are not important. If you want to start your session via audio muted, you can just toggle on these, but you don't have to. Just keep all the other things same default settings, then go back, and then I can type in the session here, CSE online session. Then you can just click on this one. I will be sharing your the link, this link. You can just click on it and it will be redirected to a browser tab, and then there you can just click on open in app. It will, you don't have to type it like this. That the way I'm typing it right here. 08 and then 2020 0300 PM. Join. You have to allow your permission, allow your video permission. I'm just turning off the audio and the video, both of them, and I will see you here that you have accessed the this one is my gravatar from my Gmail. So you all will be added here. So if you turn on the video, so this is another video. This is coming from my Android device, and this is my PC device. So there you go. You have already connected to the session. You can continue listening. Just you have to open up the audio here to listen to me. I'll show you how it looks like in the browser too. Okay, you can just quit the session from your Android phone. Like if you just click on the red button there, you have closed, and it will be just saved here, and you can close your app. Okay, now you have to go to your browser. Let's say your Chrome, Google Chrome browser. Now you have to just type in the whole link here, that the one I will be giving you. https://jitsi /CSE4131 SAM online session 10/08/2020 PM. If you hit this URL, you will get presented to the session access like this. You can click on the button, the first button, join the meeting using the app. If you have the app installed, you can get into the app directly. Just if I click on this button, the app will open, and you don't have to type in the meeting ID. You will directly get in added. Okay. If I just close the browser, go back to the browser, and if I refresh this page, and if I click on launch in web, it will start on the web. Okay, so you don't even have to install the app, but it's for the convenience and better performance, because browsers can be a bit this kind of conference systems can be a bit hard to carry on browsers. Okay, so there you go. I have turned on my mic, but I can see here that I have added myself. Okay, so that's it. I will be seeing you all in the class. Goodbye.